Hello, folks. I am John Najarian from Market Rebellion, and 3 weeks of basically hunkering down in our homes. I finally got outside without wearing my mask for a few minutes just to discuss with you some of the opportunities that we've seen in the markets recently. Now, we've had a bit of a recovery, which is welcomed by virtually all of us. And that recovery in the markets has people, in some cases, going back into stocks, which I have done as well, in full disclosure. But one area that I think is perhaps overlooked by a lot of investors is the bonds. In other words, we talk about equity, which is stocks, and then we talk about bonds, which are the first in line to get paid if there's a problem with that company. Now, in particular, the biggest problem areas are the airlines and cruise lines. Those are two of the biggest areas of concern for investors. Are people going to have to file for bankruptcy? Is it bankruptcy protection or is it bankruptcy liquidation? So those kinds of issues are why people are having trouble committing capital to American Airlines, United Airlines, Southwest Airlines, and so forth. Where have they been going instead? Well, many folks like myself and my friend Mark Lazary from Avenue Capital have been going into the bonds of these companies. So, for instance, the bonds for Carnival Cruise Lines, they are yielding 12% right now. So that means that you're first in line. If there is a reorganization, you're one of the first to be paid. Number two, you're getting paid 12% to wait. Mark did a great job explaining this on CNBC with me this week, and I thought that that was exactly the right message for people, that there are always at least two ways to invest in companies. One is by buying their stock, which is a shorter term trade. The second is buying their debt or their bonds, because this is how companies finance themselves, and in order to get those bonds sold, they have to move ahead of the stockholders. So that's my tip for this week is check out the bonds of some of these companies that have been hit very hard. Pushing those yields up might make them a great investment. I am John Najarian for Business First AM.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.